Exploring the world of espionage, understanding spy gear. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's not just about language, but also about adventure and intrigue. We're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, spy gear. This phrase is not just common in movies and books but is also used in everyday English to describe certain types of equipment. Let's uncover the secrets behind these words together. The phrase, spy gear, is made up of two words, spy and gear. Let's break these down. Spy refers to a person who secretly collects and reports information about the activities, movements, and plans of an enemy or competitor. The word often brings to mind images of secret agents and undercover missions. Gear, in this context, refers to equipment or apparatus that is used for a specific purpose. So, when combined, spy gear refers to the tools, devices, and equipment used by spies or secret agents to carry out their covert operations. Now, let's look at some examples of what can be considered spy gear. 1. Surveillance equipment. This includes things like hidden cameras, microphones, and binoculars. 2. Communication devices. Secure phones, encrypted radios, or disguised communication tools. 3. Tracking devices. Used to track the movement of people or objects. 4. Disguise kits. These can include makeup, costumes, and other items that help a spy change their appearance. 5. Gadgets for access. Tools like lockpicks or hacking devices that help spies gain access to restricted areas or information. Each of these plays a crucial role in the world of espionage. Interestingly, the term spy gear is not just used to talk about real spies. It's often used in a more playful or metaphorical sense. Children's toys. There are many toys and games that are marketed as spy gear, which can include walkie-talkies, toy binoculars, and even pretend fingerprint kits. Metaphorical use. Sometimes people use the term humorously or metaphorically. For example, someone might refer to their smartphone as their spy gear when they are trying to find information online. Understanding this double usage helps in comprehending the context in which the term is used. So, there you have it. The term spy gear takes us into a world of secret missions and undercover operations, but it's also a term we encounter in more playful or ordinary contexts. I hope this exploration has been as exciting for you as it was for me. Keep expanding your English vocabulary and remember, every word has its own story. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.